Force X10 smartwatch. Charging the smartwatch. Turn off the smartwatch before charging, put the smartwatch on the charging adapter and gently push the dial down to make sure that the two small round charging contacts at the back of the dial are touching the two charging points in the adapter. It's a completely sealed system free of exposed contacts. Plug the USB end of the cable into a DC 5V 1A power source. When the smartwatch is fully charged, remove the watch from charging and unplug the USB charging cable from the power source. Downloading the app. For downloading the app, go to the Play Store or iOS App Store and search for Ptorn Fit Plus. Now download and install the app. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code from the mobile and download the app. Pairing process. After mobile app installation, open the app and set up your profile. Now go to the smartwatch option and there you'll find the bind device. Click on bind device and then select your smartwatch. In this way, your smartwatch will get paired with your smartphone. Audio connectivity. To turn on the Bluetooth calling, just swipe up on the watch face and then select the round icon on the top left and then turn on the dual mode option. Now open the Bluetooth function of your smartphone and search for Ptorn audio in the available Bluetooth device list. And now click and connect with the Ptorn audio. Now the smartwatch is connected with the mobile for calling purpose. If the calling function is not used, then the dual mode option will turn off automatically in some time. Make sure to keep the smartwatch closer to your mouth while making or receiving calls through this watch for clearer voice capture. Touch controls. Swiping down from the top will show you the notifications and swiping up from the bottom will show you the quick settings. To access the main menu, just tap once on the watch face. Phone call. After connecting the smartwatch with the phone, you can use the smartwatch to dial and control the phone calls. You can dial a number and answer calls. You can save up to 8 contacts in the smartwatch through the mobile app. For this, open the mobile app, go to the smartwatch option and then go to the frequent common contacts. And there, you can select 8 contacts in the address book and display their shortcuts in the smartwatch. Music player. After connecting the smartwatch with the smartphone, you can remote control the music player on your phone through the smartwatch. First start music from the phone and then you can control the phone's music player. You can play, pause, go to the next song or previous song. You can also listen to the music on your watch when it is connected to your phone via Bluetooth mode. Step count. This smartwatch automatically tracks the steps and can be seen in the watch and in the app. You need to wear the smartwatch properly to get the real data. Sleep tracking. Wear the smartwatch properly before sleeping, then it will provide the data of hours slept and the quality of sleep stats in the mobile app and in the smartwatch. Pulse monitoring. Go to the pulse menu in the smartwatch. There will get BPM measure. Now once you tap on the display, the smartwatch will start measuring heart rate, SpO2 and blood pressure. You can get the measured value in the same display page of the smartwatch, as well as you can see the measured result in the mobile app. The optical sensor at the back side of the dial will start flashing green light. Google Assistant and Siri. Go to the main menu and here you will find the mic icon. Just tap on it. This will enable Google Assistant in the Android phones and Siri for iPhones. Weather. On the weather function page, you can view the current temperature. Exercise. There are 8 sports modes in the smartwatch, which includes running, sit-up, jumping jack, basketball, badminton, volleyball, bike riding and tennis. These exercises are given with a separate icon in the smartwatch. Just tap on the icon and you will find the details. Remote capture. To use this feature, you first need to open the lock of your mobile phone. Now, find the camera option in the smartwatch and tap on it. You will get the start option here. Just tap on it and you will see the camera will open on a connected mobile phone. Now, turn your wrist or tap on the start to capture pictures. Other features. Dual mode. Click on this icon and then tap on the on button. This is mandatory to turn on the calling feature. If the calling feature is not used, then the dual mode option will turn off automatically in some time. Dial key. You can dial and make new phone calls at any number from here. Contacts. The number which you have saved in the app can be seen here, and from here you can call these contacts directly. Stopwatch. This can be used as a timer. Find. You can search your phone with this function, and when you tap on this, you will get the option to start. And when you tap on it, your mobile phone will start ringing. After that, there is a stop option in the smartwatch. Just tap on it to stop ringing. Messages. You can receive messages in the smartwatch and also can receive social media messages. You can also check the message history from here. Reset. You can reset the smartwatch to factory defaults with this option. QR code. You can scan this QR code and go to the app download page. App view. With this, you can change the view pattern. There are 2 options, grid and standard. More menu. In this, you have the about, language, time and date. In the about section, you will find smartwatch related information. In the language, you can change watch language. And in the time, you can change and update time from here. And lastly, the date can be changed and updated from here. Application features. Home. You can see the target goal here and also can get distance, calories and goal data. By clicking on these steps, you can check the complete summary details. Health report. To get the health assessment report, you need to tap on the reevaluate and then fill the required details. You can get your health index here, BMI and body fat rate can also be seen here. Healthy habits. There are many healthy habits already given in the app. You can add that